everyone, I have done this simple look for Onam, and this look I've mainly done for salwar kurta, but if you want you can also do this makeup for sari. And it's raining very badly in Bangalore, that's why the lighting is not that great. I'm sorry about it, but I hope you do enjoy this video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I did this very simple look for Onam. I'm from Kerala, so I wanted to do this makeup look for Onam, and very simple look which I've created by using LACTO CALAMINE and PONDS powders, and all the products what I've used in this makeup look is extremely affordable. All the names, everything would be mentioned in the description box, so please have a look at it. So without wasting any time, let's head to today's video.
So hi again. Before applying any makeup, one must always apply primer. Primer allows the makeup to stay in place, and also it will make sure that the makeup will last for long. But here for today's makeup, I'm not applying primer because I'm going to apply lactocalamine. So I'm directly going to move into that step. This is option. If you want, you can apply primer. So here I'm going to apply lactocalamine lotion. I'm going to take very little in hand and I'm going to dot this first all over my face, even on my neck. And I'm going to blend this with the tip of my fingers. You can use brush here, but I'm using my fingers. And this is the first layer. I'm going to take once more this lotion so that my acne and pigmentation marks are completely covered. And again, I'm going to dot this and I'm going to blend this with my fingers. And also I'm blending this even on my neck so that it looks even. And this is how it looks once I have blended it completely. Then I'm going to use Pond's powder here. You can use any powder, whatever you have. So I'm going to take this in my hand and then I'm going to use a brush here. And then slowly I'm going to blend this. I took a lot of time to blend this. This powder actually sets the makeup really well. So take your time and blend it properly. And this is how it looks once I blended it. I didn't get time to do my eyebrow because I wasn't keeping well. So here I'm going to use ELF Eyebrow Kit, and with the help of an eyebrow brush, I'm going to use the dark shade and I'm just going to shape my eyebrows. Now, I'm not going to fill it, I'm just going to shape it. And for filling the eyebrow, I'm using Nykaa eyebrow filler here. This is very pigmented, so take very little. And I'm going to fill my gaps in the eyebrow. And then I'm going to take Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. Again, this is very pigmented. I really like this. So I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline and even on my top waterline. This is very pigmented. I actually don't need an eyeliner after this, but I would be putting that too. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Sugar eyeliner here. If you're a beginner and if you don't know how to actually apply a wing liner properly, I think you must choose Sugar eyeliner. It is very good. It's extremely easy to apply wing liner with this. I'm also applying this below my eyes so that the eyes look really big. And I've taken a lot of time to apply this because I wanted my wing liner to be really perfect. And then I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. I'm not going to apply any false lashes because I wanted this makeup to be really simple. That's why I'm not using any false eyelashes. I'm going to apply this mascara on my top and lower lashes. And once I've done that, I'm going to be applying this blush from Lakme. This has a little bit of highlighter also, but I'm taking very little and I'm going to be applying this on the apple of my cheeks, and I have taken a lot of time to blend this too. And then I'm going to take this highlighter from my Illuminizer, and then with the help of a highlighting brush, I'm going to be applying this all over my face. Literally, I have applied all over my face so that the face looks really good and glowy. I'm applying this even on the top and lower, below my eyebrow, and on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, on the cupid's bow. You know the drill. It's something I really like to do. Highlighting my face is the favorite part of makeup for me. So I take a lot of time to highlight and I make sure that I always blend it properly so that it doesn't look very fake. And then I've taken this lipstick from Milani. This is the shade Matte Tender. All the names of the products will be mentioned in the description box, so please have a look at it if you have any doubt. And then I'm going to be applying a plain pink color bindi. This is extremely beautiful. And I'm also applying Kalaba Sindoor here. This is liquid Sindoor. So take very little and then apply it very carefully also. And Onam is never complete without a tika of chandan, so that's what I'm doing here. And that's it. This is the complete makeup look. Now I'm going to head towards doing my hair. And for that, first I'm going to comb my hair properly so that my hair is not tangled. And this is a very simple hairstyle which most of the girls do in Kerala. I'm taking the front section of my hair, dividing it into two parts, and then I'm twisting it around. And then I'm going to take this part behind and I will secure it with the help of a bobby pin. It's very easy. I have not done any difficult hairstyle here. And I'll be doing the same thing even on the other side of my hair. Just take two sections of your hair and twist it around and just take it behind and secure it with bobby pins. Extremely easy. And then make sure that you set your hair properly. And here I'm going to take jasmine flowers. I have done hairstyle videos with jasmine flowers. You can click there to watch it. In Bangalore, you get jasmine flowers with tulsi leaves and orange flowers. If you want, you could cut it, but I didn't. So I'm going to first put this jasmine flowers in equal part, and then I'm just going to put it behind and secure it with bobby pins. Extremely simple, didn't do anything fancy. And that's it.
So guys, I hope you like this look. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please do not forget to comment and also share it with your family and friends. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe, and also wish you all a very happy Onam. And also I've done a hairstyle video with Mullapoo. This is Mullapoo in Malayalam, jasmine flowers. So I have done a video, hairstyle video using this jasmine flowers, which you can click here to watch. And I hope you liked today's video. If you liked, then please comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you all soon. Till then, bye.